Now your Equator Prize 2015 winners in adaptation and sustainable livelihoods from Afghanistan, Rural Green Environment Organization. Our next winner is from Indonesia, the Belitung Coastal Community Group. And from Uganda, the Kayonza Growers Tea Factory. From Iran, the umbrella group of Nagada NGOs. And from China, our next winner is from China, the Yunnan Green Watershed Management Research and Promotion Center. And to share with us your special recognition winner, once again, Martin Summershoe.
From Ethiopia and Kenya, the Oromia Pastoralist Association.
Who's making the speech? I'm going to lower this for you.
Good evening.